Need to find the best time to post on TikTok using your iPhone to get more views? Posting at the right time can boost engagement and help your videos reach a larger audience. And in this video, I'll show you how to check the best time for you to post on TikTok. So without any further delay, let's get started. First, open up the TikTok app. After that, tap on the profile icon below. Then, tap on the 3 lines icon from the top right corner. Next, tap TikTok Studio. Here, you will find the Analytics. Tap on View All from the top right corner. Now select Viewers. Scroll down a little bit and find the most active times. Here, you can see when your followers are most active. You can upload at that time and it will get you instantly more viewers. You can see the most active times by days. Select days under the most active times. The graph will show you which day your followers are most active. And that's it. This is how you can find the best time to post on TikTok using your iPhone to get more views. Hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions, write them in the comment box below. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next video. Goodbye for now.